Population. In 1820, the human population was about 1 billion, and in 1900, it was about 1.6 billion. Specifically, the India's population is about 318 million. It was quite normal to have this huge planet. But in 2000, the world population hiked to 6 billion. Within 100 years, this is the greatest increase in the known history. And in 2020, the world population is about 7.7 billion and India is about 1.4 billion. Every year, the 83 million people in the world are adding to the earth. This is the alarming to think that. So, what caused the population explosion? In 1800s, the entire world is suffering from poor sanitation, poor diet, and medical care. A lot of people are born, but lot of them are died just as fast. So, population is under control. Then, the Industrial Revolution in 1900 made a greatest change in the human living conditions. Science is flourished and it got the most advanced form, ease of transportation, communication, medical care, urbanization, and invention of antibiotics results in the decrease of mortality rate, increase in birth rate, and decrease in the maternal and infant mortality rate. Longer lifespans and child marriages also has a greater contribution. Meanwhile, the global lifespans has raised from 64.6 years to 72.6 from the 1990 to 2019. Slowly, this economic progress touched the poor and raised the standards of living and health conditions. Over the years' progress leads to better food supply, hygiene, medicine, which meant the people to stop dying. This results the population explosion and it reached to the 6 billion. The root cause is families used to have lots of children and most of them reach the adulthood. The population becomes unchecked and it increases in the geometrical ratio. The consequences of population growth. Higher population results in the massive depletion of the natural resources, which includes non-renewable resources. This causes the earth to lose its original form and stability. Overpopulation leads to greatest depletion in the rainforest, savannas, mountains, and agricultural lands. This leads to the ecological imbalance, which also affects the earth species other than humans. Deforestation of the forest for increase in the occupancy of the humans leads to the extinct of the so many species on the earth and also the root cause for the global warming. Increase in the population triggers an increase in the pollution at alarming rate. Though we are the most intelligent species in the world, we are only contributing the 100% of pollution. The rest, all species are get affected by this. Increase in the population leads to increase in the demand for the food, oxygen, and all other natural resources. Poverty. Over 7.7 billion people in the world, 1.3 billion, that is 22% of the population, facing poverty, and children are 644 million in this 1.3 billion. This would increase the slums in the megacities. Hospitality. It is also a biggest challenge to face the overpopulation. Literacy. It plays a dynamic role in the growth of population. As better employment gives a higher socio-economic status, leads to a lower birth rates and slow population growth by family planning. Empowerment of women also play a key role, which they access the reproductive health services, which likely to use birth controls. Awareness program camps. This should be done at rural areas, slums, remote areas to create awareness among the illiterate people. From the side of government, it should set up a strong regulation committee to look forward and regulate the population growth in the country. The minimum age of the marriage is also succeeded in the decrease of the population. Publicity. Communication media like TVs, social medias, newspapers, advertisements are good means to propagate benefits of the planning family to get understood by the illiterate people. Family planning. This sets the population by regulating the birth rate and the male sterilization procedure vasectomy. Usually it is done within 30 minutes. As the advancement of science, now it can be done without the scalpel. This is the best technique with the risk percent of 0.3%. The government of India must encourage and give the benefits for the people who gone for the vasectomy. Female procedures like IUDs, implants, pills, barriers, which also gives the best results to check the population. Education system. The education system of India must include the population control methods from the schooling level itself, which will give the better impact on the future generations. All these aspects will give cumulative effect on the decreasing the population growth curve in future generations if it is done seriously within the next 10 years.